welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are finally painting my kitchen cabinets. This is something that I've been wanting for such a long time, but we are never able to afford it, or we're just lazy, or we're too busy because we are very busy bodies. But finally this spring, it's like, okay, we both had it in our plans. We're gonna paint the kitchen this spring. And after the play, we were like, you know, we do have some time. We budgeted and we decided that we're gonna paint our cabinets ourselves, and we're gonna try to do it under $300. So that is the plan. Right now I'm at Home Depot. I'm gonna look at some paint swatches and I might pick up some brushes. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna check out the flowers. So let's go. First, we are gonna look at the flowers because they're right here and they're so beautiful. I don't know how much flowers are, so I'm just gonna like see what catches my eye. I really want some that I can hang. I want these. So I kind of already know what type of flower I want. I really want hydrangeas. I don't see any here. I heard that they have them at Costco. I don't have a Costco membership, but we could look for some white flowers, and I guess I don't really want to spend too much, probably like 20 bucks right now. These bushes are so cute. Okay, so we're just gonna start looking for the paint. I feel like I never really cared for Home Depot, and now that I'm an adult, I'm like, where's all the goodies? Where's all the stuff? And I want to look at everything. I know it has to be a kitchen paint, and I would like it to have a primer, but if it doesn't, that's completely fine. I can just buy one. So let's look at some colors. So one of my favorite creators, I'll put her Instagram or her TikTok right here. She painted her kitchen and it was stunning. It was gorgeous. I'm looking for that color and I want that vibe for my kitchen. So let's see. Got my color. Okay, I'm back inside from Home Depot. Dang, it is packed, girl. It is like 10:30 and it's like a bunch of people up in there. But we got our color. We are using this color. It's called Spun Cotton. And I'm gonna get a closer look so you guys can screenshot it if you'd like. This is the color we're using for our kitchen. I'm so excited. That's the color. Okay, it's not the color that my favorite creator has. Favorite creator, she painted her kitchen and she did a certain color, but it's not at Home Depot. It's at Sherwin-Williams or whatever. And then they showed me the color here, and that mess is way too dark, especially for my kitchen. My kitchen has like barely any light. I want the paint to brighten up the room. So we scratched her color and then we picked this one, and I think this is a good one. It's like it's not too white, but it's almost creamy in a way. I don't know. I'm excited and I'm hoping that it will look good. I know it will look good. God will take care of the whole situation. We are caffeinated today. Hey. So we're on our way to the Dollar Tree to pick up some grease remover and whatever else we need, because today we're gonna be cleaning the cabinets, and I'll show you guys what the kitchen is looking like when we get back home. But first we're gonna go get some grease remover. Okay, we're here at the dollar store grabbing necessities. We're looking for sandpaper, cleaning supplies, grease lightning. Should we get like things like that to scrub?
That's what I want. Not those.
Not these? I don't even know what day it is of trying to paint these kitchen cabinets, but today we are sanding them and priming them, and then we're gonna paint them. So let's get ready to do all of that. I'm gonna put this hat on. I'm so excited. I just want this mess to be over with. It's been like this for like a week. Me and Matt have just been busy, so we haven't really been able to, you know, finish, but now we're really gonna lock in. I'm gonna make myself an iced coffee and then we're gonna start. We're gonna play country music and we're gonna start and finish. the cabinets. How's it going so far?
Good. I'm just getting
Do you think
the
it's
glue.
changing? Do you think it's actually working?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is the primer that we're using if you're interested. We sanded, then we cleaned our cabinets, and now we're using this. Screenshot it if you want it. Okay, so I just got taught that you dip it lightly and then you go in. Okay guys, this is the cabinets primed and ready for paint. Now we just need to do the other side. Okay guys, so right now I am cleaning up all the stuff in the kitchen and I'm removing all of the stuff in the drawers because tomorrow the boys are gonna paint and I tapped out. I do not want to paint anymore. I'm done. This is a man's job. I can't do it. So I'm gonna do my part and put away all the glassware and all the spices and move it to the side to get it out of the way of the boys. And I'm definitely gonna be vlogging because I want to show you guys the experience still. I'm gonna still be a part of it in some way. Today is painting day. Carlitos and Emily are coming over to help us paint. It's finally getting done. I'm so excited. God bless. It's finally happening. If you guys forgot, this is the color that I'm doing and I'm just so excited. I'm so ready for my new kitchen. I can't wait to clean because it's such a big mess in the house. Guys, okay, we're starting. This is the color. It's so pretty, man. Do you like it?
I like it.
You got the gang here.
I hope you understand.
I'm recording. Hey guys, so we just finished priming the whole kitchen right now and behind the fridge too. Me and Emily, we're going back there, bro. But now the boys are like finally painting the stuff and it looks so good. I was like so not excited to do this, but now I'm excited and it's fun and we're all having a good time. And yeah, so let's show them how the kitchen and everything's looking.
There's primer right now.
Color looks really good, huh?
It looks really good.
Whoa. I can't believe this is like, oh my gosh.
Your kitchen, dude.
This is my
It's
kitchen.
gonna look so good.
It's gonna look so good. Too with the detail.
Killing it, dude.
See how far I get. It looks so good. I think today's the last day of painting. Thank the Lord. Matt's at work right now and it's just me painting the rest of the kitchen. I'm doing the second coat on this area and it already looks so much more brighter and I'm obsessed. I wish I could get rid of the backsplash, but hey man, we gotta work with what we got. I already did the top. Now I'm doing the bottom and it's going pretty quickly. I mean, thank God Matthew did that yesterday. He did the first and second coat, so that's done. We're done with this. It's up to me to finish this. I want to finish it before Matt gets home from work, just so he can see that I was productive and I did stuff. So yeah, I'm just put on a podcast or I put some music on, and now I'm finishing up. It makes the time go by much faster. I'm gonna listen to Midland. I love Midland, and just vibe out. I wish I could have a cocktail, but it's 11:30, so we can't do that. We're just gonna stick to drinking coffee. Are we ready to see the kitchen finally? Come on, let's go. So this is our kitchen. It's so beautiful. It's everything that I wanted. If you forgot, this is the color that we used, and we changed, or actually we didn't even have these like handles on these cabinets. I ended up getting these on Amazon, so if you're interested, they're on my Amazon storefront. And so we have these, and we also have like these guys. It's perfect. I love them so much. They're so pretty. And we cleaned a lot of it. A lot of the things that were like in these drawers, I ended up taking out so many like seasonings that we don't even use, or like taking a lot of dishes to Goodwill. And so yeah, this corner used to like give me so much anxiety, because I would be like, what the heck do I want on this corner? I want it to be decorative. I want it to be cute. I could never figure it out, but I finally did. I got this lamp from TJ Maxx. This bowl of lemons and this one avocado pisses me off, bro. Like, get out of the way. It's like aesthetic. These books, these cookbooks, and this space that I got from, I think, Joann's. I had these laying around. Like, a lot of the stuff I just had. I was going for like Nancy Meyers, Martha Stewart vibe, and I feel like I got it on my budget, and I'm so happy with it. I'm gonna do some touch-ups, because as you can see here, this isn't scratches, this isn't like cuts or whatever. This is from the cabinets laying on the tarp for too long, and it took off some of the tarp. Because if you look really close to the paint, you can kind of see like the strokes, and I don't really like that. So I'm gonna go in with my paintbrush to fix those parts. But other than that, I'm really happy with how my kitchen looks. It's so clean, and it's so bright, and it looks bigger, and it's so crazy how that works. So yeah, this is the kitchen. I want to do the backsplash. I want to paint it white, but everyone keeps telling me not to, so I'm probably not gonna do that. I think that's it for my painting video. Thank you guys so much for watching the journey. It was a hard one. If you want to see like me cleaning this kitchen, I posted a video on my Instagram and TikTok. But other than that, yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this journey, and hopefully to many more. We could paint some more walls, paint some more kitchens or whatever. Yeah, all right guys, I'll see you later. Bye.